Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at headphones like we've never seen before. These are square headphones that are open ear headphones. Not to be confused with bone conduction, but they actually have speakers that are on the outside, not in the inside of your ears, playing music. Today we're taking a look at the EARSQUARED, right? So these are, again, open ear headphones that are wireless. We're going to go ahead and check them out. Now as you're looking at these headphones, you may be asking yourself, like, who would use these and why would you use them? Well, these are going to be the ultimate, and I would say, in situational awareness. These are, again, going to give you the ability to hear everything that's going on around you. But at the same time, because they're open ear and the mics, or in this case, the speakers are in the back here, pointing this way, others are going to be able to hear the music, depending on the volume level that you're going to be in. Now, we're going to do two things. We're going to have an EBPMAN style audio test and call quality test so you can hear what we heard. And keep in mind that I record all of our audio tests at the same volume level with the same lossless capture device to make sure that you can, as you compare headphones to headphones, you can see what the audio is like. So these are going to be captured at the exact same level, no modification, despite the fact that they have an open ear model. Now, as we take a look at the features, let's take a look at the box here for a second. Now, the first thing that you'll notice is that they're considered directional air conduction. They do have stereo mode, HD sound, right? They're foldable, and they do have some adjustments that we're going to see in a second. Bluetooth 5.1, Bluetooth range of 10 meters, 6 hours of battery life running at 80% volume, USB-C, and it's going to take you 1 hour and 30 minutes to charge. Let's take a closer look. Now in the box, you're going to find your, again, your square headphones. You're going to have USB-C cable and a travel bag. Now, as we focus closer on the headphones themselves, a couple things that you'll notice is, again, very unique design. They are foldable, right? So they won't take up a lot of space, and they're very, very lightweight. You do have your volume rocker here, and you can see the speakers here, right? And you can notice that they do have indicators. Which one is going to be your right and which one's going to be your left, and you can see that right here. And then what you can see is that it's designed so that the speakers are pointing backwards, and then your controls are right here. It does have a mic, so we're going to do a call quality test. And then what you can see here is your USB-C charging. You have a multifunction button here, right? This is a physical button, and that's pretty much all there is to it. If no vicing, right? So it's kind of like a combination between a headphone and then also a over-the-ear or I would say out-of-the-ear mic or speaker in this case. So when we take a look at these, let me show you what they look like, because this is the interesting part of it. So as I turn to the right, this is how they are, and then as I turn to the left, this is how they are. Now these are going to be great for someone who's running, someone who has a visual impairment and needs to be able to have hearing senses always available. And again, or someone that suffers from some type of, there's certain individuals that, depending on the ear canal and also cartilage, may not support having any kind of earbud in the ear or on the ear. So if you notice this right here, it really doesn't, it really stays away from this entire area. So it's directional, right? It's pushing the audio this way. So depending on your situation, and if you're able to use earbuds, headphones, or not because of maybe certain situations, this may be something that you'd want to consider. Although the one thing I will say, bass, mids, and highs from an audio perspective do get compromised anytime something is just out there. And really, it doesn't benefit from something that's enclosed where everything can be together. Also, depending on the audio level, other people will be able to hear what's going on. So just be aware of that as you listen to these. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go into our call quality. We're also then going to do a audio test so you can hear what they sound like. So let's get right to it.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. Babe.
Now next we're going to test the EARSQUARED in a quiet environment. And as you take a look at our decibel readings, anywhere between 26 and 28 decibels of noise. This is in a quiet environment. This is what the EARSQUARED would sound like when making a phone call in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. What we're going to do is we're going to add some wind to the environment. Now this is what they would sound like with the wind in the environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now we're moving in a much noisier environment and you have situational awareness, so you hear everything that's going on around you, but how's the call quality? Well, as you look at our decibel readings, you're looking at anywhere between 37 and 79 decibels of noise. Let's go to switch. Now this is what the call quality will sound like when making a phone call on the EARSQUARED in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now we're continuing our test, but this time with an infant crying in the background. I can hear the infant. Can you? This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now we have a dog barking in the background. This is what they would sound like if a dog was barking in the background. Now if you're wondering what they would sound like with a doorbell ringing in the background, this is what they would sound like with a doorbell ringing in the background. So guys, that wraps up our review of the EARSQUARED EARCITY wireless open ear headphones. Again, if you are in a situation where you're not able to wear headphones because of pressure, or earbuds, again because of sensitivity, this may be an option for you. If you're someone that suffers from any kind of visual impairment and you need to be able to hear everything around you because it's your primary sense, this may be the earbuds, or in this case, the headphones for you too. So with that, see you in the next video.